In our powerful series on breaking free from low self esteem, using the remarkable story of Gideon from Judges chapter 6, what's so striking about Gideon's story is that when God finds him, he's hiding in a winepress, afraid, insecure, and full of doubt. He sees himself as the least in his family, from the weakest clan. By all appearances, he's anything but brave, and yet God calls him mighty warrior, not because he had proven anything, not because he had won a battle, but because God saw something in him that Gideon couldn't yet see in himself. That's the message at the heart of this episode. God calls out your strength even before you believe in it. He doesn't define you by your failures or your fears, but by your identity in Him. We dive deep into how low self esteem forms, how it keeps us hidden and small, and how, like Gideon, you can have a divine encounter that shifts everything. We also look at Gideon's sacrifice as a powerful symbol, a moment of transformation where he steps out of fear, lets go of the past, and accepts the call on his life. If you've ever questioned your worth or felt stuck in old labels, this episode is for you. I encourage you to listen to the full audio of all three parts of the series on our YouTube channel, as this could change your life. This could be your turning point, your Gideon moment. Join us.